So color realism technique. Well, I tattoo by layers. What I mean by layers, the simplest way to explain it, if you know a bit about painting, is painting in acrylic or painting oil. So basically, if you paint in acrylic, you're more like a printer. You go doing the right color or as close as possible to the right color. And in oil painting, you will do like a blurred layer of the whole thing. Let's say you do with sienna tones. Then when the oil dries, you do another layer with pink tones. Then you do another layer with gray tones. Well, it's not exactly that order, but you get the idea. You go building the piece, kind of like when you get out of the shower and the mirror is all blurry, and slowly it becomes more clear. It becomes more saturated, more detailed. So that's how I work by layers. So it's a different way. It's more, it helps me be more creative and more relaxed. So the way I do it is I'll first do like my main like structure, which is mostly the like blacks, like or put a bit of the stencil in there, like do some small marks for the lips, nose, eyes, all those things that I could lose. And then I will just go and try to do all the middle tones. And then over the middle tones, work the black tones over them. If you have ever done watercolor, you'll get a light color mixed with water, and you will make a light tone over the paper, and then you go making darker tones over it. So it's the same idea. That way you can go building up the piece, and everything is unified because everything is in the same tonalities. And you can go creating and changing stuff as you go. What I mean by changing is because nothing is finished. When you go tattooing like a printer, what you are doing is mostly finished, done. When you're doing by layers, nothing is fully saturated, so the skin has more space for ink. So it means that you can create a light layer of whatever tonality you want, and if it's too red or too blue, then you can do a light layer of a different tonality and change the whole color, and you can go building it up as you go. So that's how I work by layers. And this especially, like something I've been doing the last maybe only 2 years, which is a big game changer, is try to get people to get the first layers done, and then instead of doing like maybe 5 layers in one tattoo, just wait till it heals, come back and do the following layers. This actually allows me to do a lot of new stuff. For example, if I mix a red and a green, you know, in the tattoo by layers, in the same sitting, I will get like a brown or a dirty color, but they will mix those two colors. But if I do, for example, a layer of red, wait till it heals, comes back, and I do a layer of green water that's watered down, I will actually have like a semi-transparent layer of green over the red. So you can create like different things, you know. I mainly don't do it for that reason, but that's just, it actually changes the tattoo process that you wait till it heals.